Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 1, Lesson 12. Our learning goal for today says, I can explain how zero works. Ooh, zero. Do you know what zero means? Yeah, zero means none or nothing. Can you think of anything you would like to have zero of? I would like to have zero shots. When I go to the doctor, I love when she says, oh, no shots for you today, Miss Arwood. What about you? What is something you like zero of? Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, did anyone say pickles? Because I would also like zero pickles. Okay, well, today we're going to talk about how zero works. Now, zero means none or nothing. So we need to figure out how to get to zero when we do have objects. So, for example, here's my fish bowl with my cute little fishies in them. Aren't they so cute? How many fish do you see there, friend? Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 5 fish and I want to get to zero. So I'm going to go ahead and take fish away, and as I do, I want to stop when I get to 0 fish. So I'm going to take fish, and you yell stop when I have 0 left. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, we're getting close, 4, 5. Oh, good job. Thanks for telling me to stop. Yeah. Why did you say stop now that my bowl is empty? That's right. Because 0 means there's nothing left. None is what I have in my total. And there are 0 or no fish left in my bowl. I had 5 and I took all 5 away. Let's try it again. Here is an orange tree. All right, how many oranges are in my tree right now? Good job. All right, now what if I took away 0 oranges? All right, I'm going to go ahead and take away 0 oranges. All right, how many oranges do I have left, friend? Yeah, I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Because I took 0 away, which is none. So when you have 0 and you take 0 away or you add 0 to it, it doesn't change the number, right? All right, now just like with my fishbowl, let's go ahead and pick some oranges so that we can make 0 left in the tree. All right, go ahead. Can you count with me and tell me to stop when I have 0 oranges left? 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you. All right, I have 0 oranges in the tree. What does that mean? If I said, oh, hey, let's go for a walk and look at the tree that has 0 oranges, what do I mean by that? Yeah, the oranges that have no, or the tree that has no oranges in it. You're totally right. Good job, friends. Well, our learning goal for today says, I can explain how 0 works. And that's exactly what we worked on today. We talked about how we can add 0, and it doesn't change the amount because 0 is nothing. We talked about how we can take things away so that we have nothing left, or 0 left. Great job, friends. All right, this is what I would like you to do. I want you to go ahead and make me a video and explain to me how many swimmers are in that pool. Look carefully. How many swimmers do you see? Tell me the number that you see, and then how did you know? All right, good luck, friends.